What's up, guys? Welcome back to Grunt Nation. Today I got something new that I'll be unboxing with you guys. Let's go ahead and get into it. As you can see, it's a Springfield. Got a little range bag. I got this. Let's get this out of the way. I know, it's a box within a box within a box within a bag. All right, what we have here is the Springfield Hellcat Pro. Academy Sport was having a little bundle going on, and I thought I'd jump on that when I could. So it comes with the pistol, the little bag that came in, has an extra mag, the mag reloader, the gun lock, and this mag holds 17 rounds. One that's in the pistol already holds 15 rounds. And with this range bag, it also came with an additional 3 17 round mags. So that was a very good deal in my opinion. So I got all that for a pretty decent price. It is chambered in 9mm. I like this extended bag a little bit. One of the things that got my attention when I was looking around the store was it came with a red dot on it, and it's the Viridian RFX 11. It's okay, it's nothing too fancy. It has no buttons to change the brightness of your reticle or anything, but it's all right. This is a compact size, so it is good for concealed carrying or whatever you want to do with it. The length is 6.6 inches, width is 1 inch, and the height is 4.8 inches. At first glance, because I didn't know much about this before I got it, I was just browsing at that point, I thought it was single stack because it's fairly skinny. But I was glad to find out that it takes 17 rounds. The weight is 21 ounces, so it's fairly light. Most of the weight is up top, as every other pistol, but it feels very good altogether. One of the things that I first noticed when I picked it up for the first time, I really liked the textured grip. Goes all the way around. Has it up here for the thumbs, right here for your finger, and it's also on the mags. So I really liked how it was kind of everywhere, maximizing your grip. It does have the accessory rail for your lights or lasers, whatever you prefer. It does have the serrations on the slide, both front and back, just for better grip in different situations, whether you want to do back racking or front racking. It gives you a nice little grip. They don't stick out too much, so it's not the best, but definitely helps. Another thing I like after going over this pistol was the mag release. Kind of just shoots the mag out whenever you press it. I really like that because in situations, mags can get caught in there. I see people who like press their pistol and they'll have to swing out to get their mag out, but these just pop right out, and I really like that. It also comes with the loaded chamber indicator, so it'll show you if there's a round in the chamber, but you can also manually check and make sure there is anything jammed in there. It did come with pretty good iron sights. They are higher up, so you could co-witness with your reticle. It does have a kind of like a yellowish front sight and the white rear sight, but they're very well raised up, and you can get a good sight picture from it. But overall, Seems like really good quality. I'm loving the look. I'm pretty big fan of Springfield. Everything I've had from them is really good quality, and I haven't been disappointed so far. But yeah, it's a little overview of the Springfield Hellcat Pro. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and comment. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.